She's got a bumper like a billboard, covered in stickers of her favorite band.
I had always thought that I'd be graduating college after 4 years, but here I am in my 6th year. Though things didn't go the way I planned, I don't regret changing my mind and my major a million times. My life's not perfect, but with every day and every change I'm getting closer and closer. Life is filled with ups and downs, and some falls are harder to get back up from than others. I started college in Wichita Falls, Texas at Midwestern State University. Here I thought my life was complete. I made great friends, joined a great sorority, and became a student orientation leader. I felt like I had reached all of my goals and that it was the right time for me to move to a bigger city because I didn't want to get too comfortable in the small town life. I chose Texas State because I loved the Austin area and it had a great mass communications program. But I had overlooked one big thing: goodbye sorority. My sorority is what connected me to all my friends and every opportunity I had while at Midwestern. When I moved out to San Marcos in June, I hadn't a clue what to do. I lived alone and didn't have a job yet, so the only time I got out of my apartment was to walk my dog. Needless to say, I became the hermit. Even once I got a job, I didn't talk to anyone I worked with because it was like I had forgotten how to make friends. After a whole semester of this horrible feeling, my boyfriend dragged me to the Student Rec Center and we started rock climbing together. This became one of the best things I could have done. Now it's our favorite hobby and I love living in San Marcos because so many people share the love of this sport. Looking back now, I should have just gotten out there and started a hobby. That would have made my transition so much easier.